season of color, change, and quiet reflection. As the leaves turn gold, red, and brown, and the air becomes crisp, we're reminded of nature's cycle of renewal. In today's video, we'll explore how the autumn season can help heal our minds, bodies, and spirits. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's wander into the healing embrace of fall. Letting go like the leaves. One of the most powerful lessons that autumn offers is the art of letting go. As we watch the trees release their leaves, we're reminded that it's okay to shed what no longer serves us. Just like the trees make space for new growth, we too can find healing in letting go of old burdens, worries, or even habits that weigh us down. Take a moment to reflect on what you may need to let go of in your own life. Imagine each leaf that falls as a worry, a past hurt, or a doubt drifting away in the breeze. Letting go can be hard, but in doing so, we create space for new growth and fresh possibilities. Reflecting in the quiet. Autumn brings shorter days and longer nights, encouraging us to slow down and turn inward. As the world around us quiets down, nature offers us a time to reflect, to pause, to think about where we are in life and where we wish to go. Reflection doesn't always mean finding answers. Sometimes it's enough to sit in stillness, to breathe, and to listen to our hearts. Allow yourself to be present in the quiet moments, letting each thought pass gently, like a leaf on the wind. Finding comfort in nature's warm colors. The colors of autumn have a unique, comforting effect on us. The warm reds, oranges, and yellows create a cozy atmosphere that feels grounding and safe. Scientists say that simply being around these colors can calm our minds and reduce stress. Imagine stepping into a forest painted in these hues. It's like walking into a masterpiece, connecting us with nature and reminding us of the beauty of change. Let these colors bring you a sense of peace, a reminder that even in transformation, there is beauty. Embracing cozy self-care. As the temperatures cool and the days shorten, autumn invites us to embrace warmth and self-care. Think about the little things that bring you comfort. A hot drink, a good book, a soft blanket. These simple acts of self-care help us slow down, to nurture ourselves, and to find calm in the rhythm of the season. Taking time for cozy moments isn't just comforting, it's healing. It reminds us that taking care of ourselves is not a luxury, but a necessity. Let yourself enjoy these small comforts, knowing they're part of the healing energy of fall. Practicing gratitude. Autumn has long been a season of harvest and gratitude. As nature prepares for winter, we too can pause to recognize the abundance in our lives. Take a moment to think of something you're grateful for. It could be family, friendships, or the beauty of a crisp autumn morning. Gratitude doesn't have to be grand. It can be found in small moments, simple joys. When we focus on gratitude, our perspective shifts, helping us find healing through appreciation. Let this season remind you of the abundance around and within you. Embracing change and transformation. Change is all around us in autumn. Just as leaves transform and fall, we are reminded that change is a part of life. Beautiful, sometimes challenging, but necessary. Embrace this time as a moment of transformation in your own life. Autumn teaches us that change can be gentle, even inspiring. Each vibrant landscape is a reminder that transformation is natural, and with it comes growth and renewal. Let yourself embrace change, knowing that new beginnings are always ahead. Autumn is more than just a season. It's an invitation to heal, to find beauty in change, to let go of what we don't need, and to embrace the quiet and warmth around us. As we move through this season, may we carry these lessons from nature in our hearts. As we come to the end of our journey through autumn's healing beauty, take a moment to breathe in this peaceful season. Autumn is more than just a passage of time. It's an invitation to embrace nature's wisdom, to find beauty in change, to welcome calm into our lives, and to reconnect with what truly matters. This season encourages us to slow down, to reflect, and to let go with grace. Imagine carrying this feeling with you beyond the season. Let the lessons of autumn stay with you through winter, spring, and beyond. May you hold on to that sense of gratitude, of inner calm, and of embracing the cycles of life. Just as trees stand strong through each season, know that you too can find strength and beauty in every change you face. Thank you for joining me on this journey of autumn. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more peace, reflection, and connection.